Hello my amazing people, welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, according to the place where you for they see our video. So today video we dey on izzy ogbeide comment section. Where she for say who don't spoil. I beg Mona follow her for TikTok. So my people, before we go on the comment section, I know now say this our channel, we would like to play little of the audio give una in case if we dey bring out the comment, una no go like why people they talk about this comment. We'll bring out the audio give una. Okay my amazing people, una know say this our channel, we dey analyze video, we analyze comment section. So today we are on comment section. Mostly wetin people talk for this ekia queen video, wetin they talk. So my amazing people, before we go on the audio, before una listening to the audio, before we go on the comment section, please, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, please my amazing people, not fail to subscribe. Support your girl by subscribing. Subscription is free. God bless you. Okay my amazing people, let's go on the video. More hear the audio, more hear what ekia queen has to say.
You know knock am, you know dig am, you know vandalize her toto when she get belle. You know what you miss? Those natural condensed milk where they come out for toto, where you chew prick inside, go make you know do you dey wrong. That tradition, they go join hand beat you. That your tradition, they go join hand flog you. Best time to fuck. Now be that. I pity your ancestors for you. Wait though.
Now they hear am my people, before we continue with the audio. Now they hear am for men wey be say their woman go get belle, they know they do vaga the woman. Ekia queen dey tell una now say why you no go do vaga your woman when she get belle? Say na the best time for na to do vaga, na be that one. Say if you put am inside, go do so my amazing people, una dey hear am. So if una wife get belle, una no dey run again o. Una go do the vaga o. Say na that time, na it take the mio pass. So my amazing people, let's continue with the audio.
If woman and man meet today, or they don't they talk since, come fuck you today. Me say she not be good woman. So you can't wait 3 months. Can't use to tell the guy, the wait, the run, the this, the that, you can't do in 6 months time. Now the prick where you put it today, go check put 6 months time. I been a plantain, one put 6 months time. It's not the same thing. Now that one they say they no good woman. I make it. Women on my mind. And I want my fiance, soon husband to be, to give me head. I mean to lick my toto. I give him the full permission to do that. I will be fine. He can suck it.
Now they hear now my people, will continue with the audio. Is it where they beg? No come spoil us for life with your beg. I beg. Now this one want me you they do. No be all those saga where you go they put your mouth. Now waiting will want me you they do be this nah. You can't they come up for your line. Waiting may they give you a ekia queen. They give you a ekia queen because you know everything about the ekia. Then make your name be ekia queen. Now you give yourself or now people give you, we not know. Then make that name the sweet ekia queen, but you can't come up for the life, come enter saga. You know if who can be saga queen say I beg go. May you just continue with your topic. We like this topic. You they teach us how to do vaga. Some of us who are not sabi, I beg we need you to teach us. Put us through. So my people, let's regard it. Wanna listen.
Fine. If I
Now, yeah, she said she wants make her husband to be, then they never married. That was last year. Then she do this video, but not yesterday she posted for Facebook. He said she wants make her husband to be give her. Una hear wetin she call her nana. That one no come out from my mouth. So if anything happen, she say if anything happen, say may ogbas not touch e husband, because now she permit e husband to give her. So Mona listing more.
To sake.
Okay.
Now me tell her me lick my toto. Okay. Find a Nigerian person to translate that for ya. Okay? Now me tell her me lick my toto and I'm alright. Thank you. Men will put money for woman head. You know they with the woman again or the beg you say, can't take money where you put for my head. You go the shakarati say you they punish the woman. Can't put the money for my head. I go fuck the fork, nothing the happen. I go chuck the prick for toto, I go put it for back, I go put it for front. Nothing they happen.
Nah, she dey talk to Nigerian men. Una wey go put money for woman head. Una go say una no want again. Una no agree go collect money. Izzy ogbeide dey talk to una now say if na she say ma put money for a head, the man come say he no want again. At the end of the day, they call the man say can't carry money when you put for your woman head. He no gree come. He say he no even need to call the woman make come collect money. Wetin she need to do na for her to just collect the 24 naira for a papa hand, take go buy meat, shop with her boyfriend. Now they hear her. So let's continue, my people. Oh my God, why did I?
The man where I won't fuck that night.
Okay.
No, hey, that money. In fact, I'll go collect her for my papa and the 24 naira. I will use her shopping gala with the man where I won't fuck that night. Nonsense. You think say they punish me? You are punishing yourself. Because for me, or they she did my toto, your juju no go reach there.
Okay.
So you don't knock your wife when she get belly.
Unayera.
You don't knock her. You know.
So una no dey hit una wife when he get belle. Una no dey do kpekere. Izzy don advise una mona dey do and say na that time he take dey do omiogo. According to Parana, omiogo wey dey inside na that time una take receive am well. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also share our video. Share this video and share to your friend. Tell your friend to support this channel. Okay, let's take this channel to another level. God bless you. See you on my next video. Stay blessed and please don't forget to give thumbs up. Bye.